All right, guys, back in the garage again. So I'm still trying to figure out and diagnose that noise. I think I know what it is, but I want to be quadruple sure. I know I placed the in and outer tie rods that did not fix the issue. I know it's coming from here, and whenever the car gets warm, that means it's temperature dependent. I hear that clunking sound, and I thought it might be something here. And I found this piece of rubber, and that's metal. So can you guess what this piece is? You're gonna find out in a second. Well, you guessed it right. It was the engine mount. I'm 98% sure it was the engine mount. Sorry, transmission mount. Correction, transmission mount. I'm 98% sure because this piece shouldn't be like that. This goes right here. I mean, I'm quite impressed how this held up, and I'm going to make a full video down the road of how that happened. But I'm quite impressed because I've launched this car multiple times using launch control. This chassis is stiffer from all the, I don't know. This is quite impressive. But yeah, so here's the old one. Here's a new one. So here's the part number right there. So I'm gonna install this back, install the new hardware bolts. They're torque to yield bolts, and there are 45 foot-pounds of torque for the torque to yield bolts on the transmission, and then the other ones I'm gonna reuse them, and then I'll give you guys my update.